Welcome to the new class of the grade 9th. We are discussing climate chapter, 4th chapter of geography. So today we are going to discuss about the Indian monsoon. So the climate of the India is strongly influenced by the monsoon wind. So when we turn the history pages, all the sailors came to our country from a different places. So they are the used these phenomena of the monsoon. They benefited through these monsoon winds, that is a wind system which they are sailed through the ship to India. So the traders named this monsoon, that is a wind system, the monsoon which they are the experienced in the tropical area, that is roughly between the 20-degree north and 20-degree south. So you just when we see these maps, then only we can understand easily these surface winds, which we can see these directions which they were used, and they reached our country to do the trading. The European sailors as well as the other sailors, they are reached to the help of these monsoon winds. So these monsoon winds, they are having the fact that is very important. So here some fact we have to discuss. The first one is the the differential heat and cooling land and water. So different, that is heating and cooling in a land mass, that is in our country. In southern part we have surrounded by the water resources. So these areas, they are the creates low pressure to high pressure because of the wind. So it will be experienced the low pressure on the landmass of India, while the seas surrounded around experience comparatively, that is a high pressure. So here we can understand that the land, so we can call here land breeze is, so the cooling as well as the heating, low pressure to the high pressure. The second one, the shift of the portion of intertropical convergence, that is zone ITCZ in the summer. So when we see the Ganga plains, this is in a equatorial through normal position about a 5 degrees Celsius to the north of the equator. It also is known as the monsoon through the during the monsoon season in a when where it is in a Ganga plains. Third one, that is the sea. The presence of the high pressure area east of Madagascar. So here at a 20-degree south of the Indian Ocean, we can see here in a map, that is in the Indian Ocean. Instantly, that is a portion of the high pressure areas affects in a Indian monsoon. The Tibetan plateau gets intensively heated during in a summer season. So the result of air currents and the formation of the low pressure over the plateaus about 9 kilometers above the sea level. The fourth one, the movement of the westerly jet streams of the north of the Himalaya. So here we can see that the two maps we can see. that is in the northern side of the Himalayas, and the presence of the tropical eastern jet storms of over the Indian peninsula during summer. So these ITCZ, this zone having a border of low pressure in the equatorial latitudes. This is where the northeast and the southeast trade winds, and this zone the lays more and less parallel to the equator, but moves north to south upright movement of the sun. So today we have discussed this five main important facts, that is the monsoon, Indian monsoon. We are continuing the same thing tomorrow. For the reference, you can refer 9th grade textbook. Thank you.